before the end of the stream, and we're obviously gonna listen to. I always wanted a breath to end it off. Probably we got Bangchan Railway or Bangchan. I always do that, but I think this is the last Stray Kids one I haven't checked out for music video versions. Correct me if I'm wrong though. Then I'll just react to those. Shoot. This one should be hype.
Got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every
damn.
Hottest racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride.
Is he supposed to be a vampire? Madagascar if it was good. Madagascar if the weekend made the soundtrack. Damn. Bro's breaking the color spectrum. While seducing his victims. Oh no, he's making the human centipede. Oh god. What the fuck? This is disturbing. I don't like this. Oh god. Oh god. This is a crazy music video, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat.
Oh shit.
Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me, baby, I feel
Ah. Why is he mocking him? Showing off the jawline while in battle. It's a must. What a banger. Which we already knew, but you know, the music video is really good. Despite my jokes about how fucking freaky it was. Because it was, but it was still cool. Stray kids everywhere all around the world. You make stray kids stay. I don't like those sounds.